Isn't it funny? Once there was a small team of guys making and selling products that protected huge equipment and huge properties from corrosion and fouling in our huge oceans. All from a little shed in a small town called Morcapelle, miles and miles away from any form of salty water. Corrosion started making a name for itself. And what's even funnier, this team of guys started developing concepts that had an even bigger impact on that huge world of corrosion and fouling protection. When wind turbines started being built in our seas and oceans, the traditional methods of protection left a major carbon footprint on the surrounding ecosystems. It was corrosion who introduced ICCP to this sector, and they became the market leader for years and years. Even now, they're still going strong. Isn't it amazing? Corrosion has evolved into a company with offices in multiple countries. They're now a dynamic team of men and women with one sole objective: protecting precious properties from fouling and corrosion. This company has even created their own lab, continuing to develop systems that protect better and reduce that footprint in our oceans. Corrosion, still going strong.